to the screening area right now. First call for fight number 42, winner 10, Rosenda Ababa of CBCU A. Blue Armor versus winner 11, Catherine Joy Guillermo of Red Armor. You are requested to proceed in the screening area right now. First call for fight number 43, Isaac Pulong of SSC. Blue Armor versus winner 14, Akisa Palare of CBC. I'm sorry, that is winner 12 of Jolina. First call for fight number 45. Blue Armor versus winner 12, Jolina Sevillo of CSPC Red Armor. Please proceed to the inspection area right now.